Hi guys, welcome to Daily and Beyond. I'm your host RC. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change or replace your wiper blades on a F56 Mini Cooper. Basically on this part, the blade got stuck and I couldn't get it out in any way, so I had to force it out of the handle, which was a bit painful, but we got it out. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to install your new blades, the ones obviously that are from manufacturer. So there's a little clip here that will work as a locking mechanism. So you're gonna hold that clip up, you're gonna slide the handle here. It has a little thingy that will slide in. So again, if you want to take a look at it, there's a sliding thingy here. So slide in, goes in, and then you're gonna pull it towards you, at the same time pushing it down, and then you're gonna pull, it locks, and then you're gonna close the clip. You should hear a click, and here's your wiper blade ready to go. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you closer. I'll give you a closer look of how you do it. So as you can see here, this little handle will slide into this rail. Once it slides in, it goes in. You want to pull it towards you. At the same time you're pushing it down. So as you pull, you should hear the click that goes in. Now it's in, and then you will be closing it. Fairly easy, closed, and it's ready to go. Now you got your wiper.